Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope so you will be well. Before starting my video, I request you kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. In this video, we are going to discuss about biographical sketch of Johan Dunn. Biographical sketch of Johan Dunn. Johan Dunn is an English writer. Johan Donne was the most outstanding of the English metaphysical poets and churchmen. Johan Donne is a most famous English poet and churchman, famous for his spellbinding sermons. Johan Donne was born in Bread Street, London in 1572 to a prosperous Roman Catholic family. Johan Donne belonged to a Catholic family, a precarious thing that at a time when anti-Catholic sentiment was ripe in England. His father was a well-to-do iron monger and citizen of London. His father was the citizen of London. Donne's father died suddenly. Donne's father died suddenly after the birth of Johan Donne in 1576. Johan Donne was born in 1572 and his father died 1576 and left three children to be raised by their mother, Elizabeth, the daughter of John Heywood. Johan Donne's mother Elizabeth is daughter of Heywood. Epigrammatist and relative of Sir Thomas More. Donne's first teacher were Jesuits. At the age of 11, Donne and his younger brother Henry were admitted at Hart Hall, University of Oxford, where Donne studied for 3 Cambridge but took no degree at university because he would not take the oath of supremacy required at graduation. He was admitted to study law as a member of Thawis in 1591 and Lincolnus in 1592, and it seemed natural that Donne should embark upon a legal or diplomatic career. Understand? In 1593, Donne's brother Henry died of a fever in prison after being arrested for giving sanctuary to a prescribed Catholic priest. This made Donne being to question his faith. Donne being to question his luck. His first book of poems, Stars, written during his period of residence in London, is considered one of Donne's most important literary efforts. Although not immediately published, the volume had a fairly wide readership through private circulation of the manuscript. Same was the case with his love poems, song and sonnet, assumed to be written at about the same time as the Stars. Having inherited a considerable fortune young, Johan Donne spent his money on womanizing, on books, at the theatre, and on travels. He had also befriended Christopher Broke, a poet and his chamber fellow at Lincoln Inn, and Ben Jonson, who was part of Broca's circle of literary associates. In 1596, Donne joined the naval expedition that Robert Devereux, second Earl of Essex, led against Cadiz, Spain, and the following year joined an expedition to the Azores, where they wrote the calm. Upon his return to England in 1598, Donne was appointed private secretary to Sir Thomas Egerton, Lord Keeper of the Great Seal, afterward Lord Ellesmere. Understand? Donne was beginning a promising career. He sat in Queen Elizabeth's last parliament for Berkeley, but in 1601 he secretly married Lady Egerton, a nice 17-year-old Annie More, daughter of Sir George More, Lieutenant of the Tower, and Therapy ruined his own worldly hopes. Donne wrote to the livid father saying, okay viewers, thanks for watching my video. Kindly subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Allah Hafiz. We will meet in new video.